Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usemput Menteri Rangba Kajela obak Presiden Tensang. Habakren bat kilat pathai kubor, halor kajingwan rak masi nakibai kejela, sya kejela Meghalaya. Ulaong baka sorkar kalabuk dak transit pass, yakitu kibriu ki baju khayi masi hakajela, ki baju let kit yaki masi syokdo nasyabar kajela Meghalaya. Ulaong ru bahadian baka sorkar Asam kalawan rak yakaan ke baperking, halor kajing khayi masi. Ulaong baka sorkar Meghalaya bat Asam, kiladon ya kajing asngau thuk jengmut halor kani. Bat kalabuk daki transit pass, kenang baka sorkar kan itu yakini kibriu, bat ka sorkar kadon ru ya kajingkit klik nagabanta jongki.
Bill passed in the assembly. One para was mentioned that whoever gets the this transit pass will definitely allow them to come to any state, be it Meghalaya, be it Mizoram, or be it Nagaland, or wherever they wanted to go. So right now, the duty of the state government, as far as Meghalaya is concerned, means we need to issue a transit pass to those, to the customers or to the traders, whoever bringing the cattle from outside the state. So state government will issue as I said to you, the transit pass.
So, but the Assam government has said that even the traders have to apply for a transit pass from them as well.
No, not at all. Not at all. We have already taken it up with the government of Assam, and then it is also mutually agreed that transit pass has to be issued by the concerned beneficiary state. Means when we need it, then we issue the transit pass, and the traders will bring in those cattle or whatever. Everything is smooth. Transit pass has to be issued, and we are going to issue to all the traders of the state.